Assembly, Rudra and Ashmita, and we are excited to be here with you.
Let's start our assembly with a thought-provoking theme. Ask not what your country can do for you, ask what you can do for your country by John F. Kennedy. It's a theme that reminds us of the importance of contributing to our society and taking responsibility for our actions.
Absolutely, Rudra. But first, let's begin with a prayer to seek blessings for our day ahead. We request everyone to join their hands for prayer.
Good morning. The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. Mahatma Gandhi. Thank you. This thought means that when we dedicate ourselves to serving others, we discover our true self and purpose in life. It's about finding fulfillment and meaning through helping our country and community. Thank you.
Jai Jagannath! Very good morning to all of you, dear children and all the mentors, Rita ma'am. This has been a very thought-provoking assembly today. The theme of today's assembly applies to each one of us standing here as human beings. We all have our duties, okay? Most of the time we are always thinking, what are we getting? We rarely think, what are we giving? So today's assembly tells us that life is not only about getting, life is more about giving. The more you give, the happier you are. The more you give, the more meaningful is your contribution to your society and to your own self